वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जनरल नॉलेज से रिलेटेड जो कि हर एग्जाम में रिपीट होते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारे पास, द कंट्री तुनिसिया हैज अ कैपिटल नेम। तुनिसिया का कैपिटल इनमें से कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए लुआंडा, ऑप्शन बी तुनिस, ऑप्शन सी कंपाला, ऑप्शन डी इज हरारे। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी विच इज तुनिस। The next question is, which organ helps snake in hearing? Option A, inner ear. Option B is the eyes. Option C is tail. And option D is tongue. So the correct answer is option A, which is inner ear. The next question is, OIC, which is the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, that was established on which year? The option A is 25th December 1966, option B is 25th December 1969, and option C is 25th December 1967, and the option D is 25th December 1970. So correct answer है 25th December 1969, option B. The next question is, the Earth's smallest ocean is? Option A, Atlantic. Option B is Arctic. Option C is Indian. And option D is Pacific. So the Pacific one is the largest ocean of the world. And the smallest one is option B, which is Arctic Ocean. The next question is, which of the following organization was set up in the year 1920? Option A है हमारे पास United Nations, option B है League of Nations, option C है NATO, option D है CETO. So 1920s में League of Nations को बनाया गया था World War I के बाद to maintain the peace. So the correct answer is option B. अगला सवाल है हमारे पास, which nation's banner is known as a Union Jack? Option A France, option B UK, option C is USA, and option D is Portugal. So the correct answer is option B, which is UK, United Kingdom. The next question is, what kind of the chemical is utilized as a part of auto batteries? Option A, hydrochloric acid, option B is sulfuric acid, option C is mercury, and option D is nitric acid. So the correct answer is option B, which is sulfuric acid. The next question is, the most crowded Islamic nation of the world is? Option A, Iran. Option B is the Pakistan. Option C is the Saudi Arabia. And option D is the Indonesia. So the correct answer is option D, which is Indonesia, and it is the most crowded Islamic nation in the world. The next question is, how many kilometer long is Suez Canal? Option A है हमारे पास 236, option B 210, option C 193, and option D is 169. So the correct answer is option C, which is 193. The next question is, in which year was IMF established? Option A है हमारे पास 1944, option B है 1945, and option C is 1949, and option D is 1950. Most of the students ये उनको लगेगा कि 1945 करेक्ट आंसर है, लेकिन ट्विस्ट ये है कि करेक्ट आंसर है हमारे पास 1944, क्योंकि IMF एस्टेब्लिश जो हुई थी वो 1944 में हुई थी, और उसके बाद उसने काम स्टार्ट किया था, वर्किंग स्टार्ट हो गई थी IMF की, वो 1945 में हुई थी. The next question is, Emirate is the carrier of? Option A Iraq, option B is the Iran, option C is Dubai, and option D is Turkey. So the correct answer is Dubai. How many bones are in a human body? Option A 206, option B is 180, option C is 198, option D is 210. So the correct answer is 206. The next question is, light year is a unit of estimation of A, speed of light, option B, stellar distances, option C is speed of rockets, option D is speed of aeroplane. So the correct answer is stellar distances, which is option B. The next question is about the Formosa is the old name of which country? Option A है हमारे पास कंबोडिया, option B है बैंकॉक, option C है हमारे पास ताइवान, and option D है हमारे पास तंजानिया. So Formosa is the old name of Taiwan, which is option C. The next question is, which object is used to see stellar objects? Option A है chronometer, option B है microscope, option C है telescope, option D है spectroscope. So the correct answer is option C, which is telescope. The next question is, in which year was the Magna Carta signed by the King John? तो एक हमारे पास MCQs ये भी बन सकता है कि मैग्ना कार्टा किसने साइन किया था? It was signed by the King John. So when it was signed, option A is 15 June 1216, option B is 15 June 1215, option C is 15 June 1214, and option D is 15 June 1219. So the correct answer is 15 June 1215. The next question is, which game is थॉमस कप एसोसिएटेड टू? ऑप्शन ए है हमारे पास टेबल टेनिस, ऑप्शन बी है बास्केटबॉल, ऑप्शन सी है बैडमिंटन, एंड ऑप्शन डी इज लॉन टेनिस. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज द ऑप्शन बी, विच इज बैडमिंटन. अगला सवाल है हमारे पास, द मेन डिफेंस हेड ऑफिस पेंटागन रिप्रेजेंट विच कंट्री? It's very easy and it's the most important and the repeated question in every exam. ऑप्शन ए है यूएसए, ऑप्शन बी है यूके, ऑप्शन सी है यूएसएसआर, एंड ऑप्शन डी है फ्रांस. The correct answer is option A, which is United States of America. अगला सवाल है, which is known as the tired or the sick man of the Europe? Option A is Turkey, option B is the Japan, option C is Germany, and option D is France. So Turkey is called the tired or the sick man of the Europe. Option A is the correct answer. The next question is about the normal heartbeat for the healthy human body per minute is. Option A is 62 to 70, option B is 60 to 100, option C is 75 to 85, and option D is 80 to 92. So the correct answer is option B, which is 60 to 100. The next question is, on which day is World Environment Day observed? ऑप्शन ए है हमारे पास 5 जून, ऑप्शन बी है 5 जुलाई, ऑप्शन सी है 15th of the March, and option D 5th of September. So the correct answer is 5th of the June is considered as Environment Day. The name of the parliament of the Bangladesh is. ऑप्शन ए है शूरा, ऑप्शन बी है कांग्रेस, ऑप्शन सी है नेशनल असेंबली, ऑप्शन डी है जातीय संसद. So the correct answer is option D. अगला सवाल है, who was the last leader of the USSR? USSR का आखिरी लीडर कौन सा था? USSR डिसइंटीग्रेट हो गई थी 1991 में, तो इसका लास्ट लीडर इनमें से कौन सा होगा? ऑप्शन ए है हमारे पास बोरिस जेल्सन, ऑप्शन बी है गॉर्बेचेव, ऑप्शन सी है व्लादिमीर लेनिन, ऑप्शन डी है जोसेफ स्टालिन. So the correct answer is option B, which is Gorbachev. The next question is, Chinese National Day is celebrated on which date? ऑप्शन ए है हमारे पास 8th of the March, ऑप्शन बी है हमारे पास 1st of the October, ऑप्शन सी है 11th of March, ऑप्शन डी है 3rd of November. So the correct answer is 1st of October. Chinese celebrate their National Day on 1st of October. So B is the correct answer. Next question है हमारे पास, in 2014 Hillary Clinton released her book called. Option A Living History, option B Heart Crisis, option C A Terrible Beauty, and option D It Takes a Village. So Hillary Clinton ने अपनी बुक रिलीज की थी 2014 में, which is The Heart Crisis. So option B is the correct one. Question है हमारे पास, Al Azhar University is situated in. Option A Egypt, option B Iraq, option C Iran, and option D is Jordan. So the correct answer is option A, which is Egypt. The next question is, Amman is the capital of which country? Option A Yemen, option B Jordan, option C Qatar, option D is Bahrain. So the correct answer is Jordan. The next question is, the currency of Turkey is A peso, B marka, C lira, and the D is pound. So it's very easy. Option C is the correct, which is lira. Option D is, land of the mountain is which country? Option A is the Nepal, option B is Mongolia, option C is Japan, and option D is Indonesia. So the land of the mountain is Nepal, option A. So the last one is, Second biggest religion of the world is option A Hinduism, option B is Buddhism, option C is Christianity, and option D is Islam. So the first biggest religion in the world is Christianity, and the second biggest religion in the world is Islam. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.